And let's tell you that we're also getting live shots of the Prime Minister who's inaugurating at the Rashtriya Swachhata Kendra in the capital. This is something that the Prime Minister is inaugurating. Remember, this is something that Prime Minister Modi had earlier also spoken of, and now we are hearing that Prime Minister Modi will be inaugurating the Rashtriya Swachhata Kendra, an interactive experience center on the Swachh Bharat mission today. And this is something he's inaugurating now. It's a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi. It was first announced by the Prime Minister on 10th of April. Remember, viewers, 2017, on the occasion of the centenary celebration of Gandhiji's Champaran Satyagraha. Now, we're also being told that the Swachh Bharat mission had, remember viewers, transformed the rural sanitization process in the country, had changed the behavior of 55 crore people from open defecation to using a toilet. The installations at Rashtriya Swachhata Kendra will also introduce future generations to the successful journey of the world's largest behavioral change campaign, the Swachh Bharat mission. These are visuals coming in of the Prime Minister Modi who's inaugurating the Rashtriya Swachhata Kendra. This is, like we said, the experience center on the Swachh Bharat mission today. And when we spoke about it earlier also, this mission has already transformed rural sanitation in the country. It has changed the behavior of over 55 crore people. Earlier there was open defecation, and that has now become to using a toilet, a balanced mix of digital and outdoor installations in the Kendra, imparting information, awareness, education on Swachhata and related aspects has helped. Prime Minister is also going to be interacting, viewers, with 36 school students from Delhi, representing the 36 state and union territories that are adhering to these protocols. So as the Prime Minister is inaugurating the Swachhata Kendra, it's a tribute, remember, that had been announced in 2017 to Mahatma Gandhi, and it was first announced by Prime Minister Modi at that time. That was on the occasion of the centenary celebrations of Gandhiji's Champaran Satyagraha. Now, even as these visuals that are coming in clearly show, the Prime Minister is going to be inaugurating the Rashtriya Swachhata Kendra, and this mission of Swachhata has become something that everybody in India has now started following. These visuals clearly show how the Prime Minister is about to inaugurate that. The Rashtriya Swachhata Kendra was not only a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi, but also this is a journey into the largest behavioral change campaign. Let me go across to our colleague Piyush, who's joining us on the phone line. Piyush, the Prime Minister to inaugurate the Rashtriya Swachhata Kendra, and we've seen how it's impacted in the rural sanitation of the country, has impacted over 55 crore people.
Well, absolutely. Let us go to viewers that it's a big thing which is Prime Minister is now inaugurating, and let us also remind our viewers that it's a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi, and it was first announced by the Prime Minister on 10th of April 2017. What we are also thinking is that a unique 360-degree audio-visual interactive show will take place, and with the help of this show, it will be able to tell to viewers, and it will also narrate the India's Swachhata story, and also a journey into which the largest behavioral change has come out of, and also a campaign was initiated by Prime Minister. The installations of this will take place at Rashtriya Swachhata Kendra, and it will also introduce future generations to the successful journey of world's largest behavioral change campaign, that is the Swachh Bharat mission. So these are the details which we are taking, and the visuals which we are getting is also coming in where Prime Minister is also to inaugurate this, and Prime Minister is also expected to interact with the 36 school students from Delhi. Those will be representing the 36 states and union territories which will adhere to social distancing protocols. So these are the details which we are taking as of now, and this mission is also being inaugurated by Prime Minister. It's an interactive experience. It will take it's an interactive experience center, and Rashtriya Swachhata Kendra is a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi.
ये कहानी जो शुरू होती है पिछली सदी से 1906 में महात्मा गांधी द्वारा सत्याग्रह के विचार को रखा गया, वहां से ये कहानी
और यही वह कर्मभूमि थी जहां उन्होंने स्वच्छता पर जोर देते हुए स्वच्छता को सामुदायिक जीवन का आवश्यक अंग बनाया। दक्षिण अफ्रीका में स्थापित टॉल्स्टॉय फार्म समुदाय और उसके बाद अहमदाबाद के साबरमती आश्रम में गांधी जी तथा हर कोई बिना अपवाद के या इस आशा के कि अन्य कोई ये अस्वच्छ कार्य करेगा, स्वयं बारी बारी से सफाई का काम करते थे। अधिकांश भारतीय जिस प्रकार से अस्वच्छ माहौल में रहते थे, उससे भली भांति परिचित गांधी जी ने स्वयं उदाहरण बनकर नेतृत्व दिया और लोगों को प्रोत्साहित किया कि अपने बेहतर स्वास्थ्य के लिए वे साफ सफाई और स्वच्छता की आवश्यकता महसूस करें। ये अभ्यास उन्होंने स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन का नेतृत्व करते हुए वर्धा के सेवाग्राम में भी जारी रखा। अपने लेखों में भी वे सदैव स्वच्छता की आवश्यकता पर बल दिया करते थे। हमारी कई बीमारियों का कारण हमारे शौचालयों की बुरी अवस्था है, साथ ही कहीं भी और सब जगह मल त्याग करने की हमारी बुरी आदत। महात्मा गांधी ने एक ऐसे भारत का स्वप्न देखा था जो न सिर्फ स्वतंत्र हो बल्कि स्वच्छ और विकसित भी हो।